Hello, children. Very happy to see you all once again. Welcome you all in today's class. So, we are seeing the chapter jugs and mugs. Okay, so we have learnt about addition of liters and milliliters, and we have also learnt about conversion of liters and milliliters. Okay, so look here, page number 74. My liter bottle. Have you seen a 1 liter water bottle? Yeah, many of us carry 1 liter water bottle to our schools, right? Yes. Collect a 1 liter bottle and some other small bottles. Okay, so you will have small bottles like 200 ml with capacity of 200 ml or 500 ml, or all like that. Okay, so look here. Guess how many times you have to pour from each of the small water bottles to fill the liter bottle. Okay, so we are collecting many small water bottles and we are pouring water into the big water bottle which is of 1 liter. Okay, using these small water bottles. Okay, so now we have to find how many small water bottles are needed to fill the 1 liter water bottle. Okay, so look here, the table given in page number 75. Check if your guess is correct and fill the table. So here bottle 1, bottle 2, bottle 3 is given. Okay, so you are going to take 3 small water bottles and you are going to have a 1 liter water bottle. Okay, so now 3 different water bottles of different measures. Okay, so you are going to first guess how many water bottles of this small size is going to fill the big water bottle. Okay, you just have to guess it and you have to write your guess in my guess column. Okay, then you have to fill each and every water bottle. First, if you are taking a 500 ml water bottle, you have to fill water in it and then you have to pour it into the 1 liter water bottle. Okay, but it won't be filled, right? Then you have to again fill the 500 ml water bottle and you have to then pour it into the 1 liter water bottle. Now 500 plus 500 will give you 1 liter. Yes or no? 500 ml plus 500 ml is 1000 ml and 1000 ml is nothing but 1 liter. Okay, so actually you may guess that 2 or more than 2 bottles will be needed to fill the big water bottle, but actually what was the measure? Only 2 water bottles. Okay, so the actual measure you have to write in the my measure column. Okay, so this will be your activity. What Adityan is saying. So Adityan is a boy and he is going to fill his 1 liter water bottle with some small bottle. Okay, I poured 2 small bottles of water to fill this 1 liter bottle. How much water does his small bottle hold? Okay, so he is having a small bottle with him. Okay, and can you see this? He is having a small bottle with him. Okay, and he is saying if he pours 2 small water bottles into this big water bottle, then his bottle is filled, 1 liter bottle. So 1000 is filled with 2 bottles. So you have to divide 1000 by 2. Okay, so if you divide, you will get the answer as 500. Okay, so actually the small water bottle measures 500 ml. Okay, is it clear? Okay. Now see what Leela is saying. To fill the 1 liter bottle, I need to pour water 5 times from my small bottle. Then how much water does Leela's bottle hold? Okay, so she is also having a 1 liter bottle and she is also having a small bottle. Okay, so she is actually pouring 5 bottles of this small water bottle into the 1 liter bottle and then only the 1 liter bottle is filled. Okay, so look here, to fill 1 liter bottle I need to pour 5 times from my small bottle. Then how much water does the small bottle hold? Here you have to divide 1000 because 1000 is nothing but 1 liter, 1000 ml is. So divide 1000 by 5 times. Okay, so if you divide, what will be the answer? Divide and see. 5 and 1000. Okay, so 5 2s are 10, and you will bring down 0. Here there is no remaining, right? Here also 0 only, so here also 0, and one more 0 is remaining, so again you will get 0. Okay, so 200 ml. So this small water bottle holds 200 ml. Is that clear? Now let us see Ramu's measuring bottle. Ramu got an empty 250 ml coconut oil bottle. Okay, so we all know how a coconut oil bottle looks, right? So he is getting a empty bottle that is of 250 ml. Okay, and now look at the picture and discuss what he did to make his big measuring bottle. Okay, so actually he is going to make a measuring bottle. Okay, and it is very big. Can you see here? It is a very big measuring bottle. Okay, so it is already said that Ramu's measuring bottle is, Ramu's coconut oil bottle is 250 ml. Okay, so and this, can you all see this big measuring bottle? Yeah, actually here it is starting with 250 ml. Okay, and 500 ml and 750 ml and 1 liter is there. Okay, so if he is going to pour one bottle of some liquid, some water or oil, something from this 250 ml of coconut oil bottle into this big measuring bottle, then it will be filled till 250. Okay, then if again he is going to pour full bottle of this coconut oil bottle, then 250, again one 250 is going to be filled, that is 500 ml. 250 plus 250, that is 500 ml. Okay, again if he is going to pour third time, then 750 ml will be filled. Again if he is going to pour it, then 1 liter will be filled. Okay, so 4 times of 250 is going to give you 1 liter, that is nothing but 1000 ml. Understood all of you? Oh, let us make our own measuring bottle. Okay, so find your own way to make a bottle which can measure 200 ml, 400 ml, 600 ml, 800 ml and 1 liter. Discuss with your friends and teacher how you made this. Okay, so here you are going to make a bottle which can measure 200 ml and which can measure 400 ml and which can measure 600 ml and which can measure 800 ml and which can measure 1 liter. So how is this? So you will take a 1 liter water bottle. Okay, and then you will take a 200 ml water bottle. Okay, keep it in mind, a 1 liter water bottle and 200 ml water bottle. Okay, so now if you are taking 1 liter water bottle, okay, so this is your water bottle and this is 1 liter. Okay, and you also take a small 200 ml water bottle. Now water bottle or something else like glass or tumbler or anything which is measuring 200 ml. Okay, so when you pour only 1 liter of this bottle into the big bottle, then you are going to fill this with 200 ml of water. Okay, if you are going to fill one more 200 ml, then it will become 400. Okay, because 200 plus 200 will give you 400. Next again if you are going to fill it, then it will become 600. 400 plus 200 is 600. Okay, then again if you are going to fill it, then it will become 800. Then again if you are going to fill it, then it will become 1000. Is it clear? 1000 ml, that is nothing but 1 liter. Okay, so now if you are going to fill it 5 times, then it is giving you 1 liter. So 5 times of 200 ml is nothing but 1 liter. Understood all of you? So now let us look at the homework answers which was given in the previous class. H110, 800 ml plus 100 ml equal to dash ml. So 800 plus 100 is how much? It is 900. So 900 ml. Okay. Next, 450 ml plus 550 ml is how many liters? Okay. So what is actually 450 plus 550? If you add it, what will you get? You will get 0 plus 0, 0, 5 plus 5, 10, 1 carried over, 1 plus 4, 5, 5 plus 5, 10. Okay, so that is 1000 ml. Okay, so 1000 ml is equal to how many liters? 1 liter. So answer here is 1. Understood? So H112, 200 ml plus 300 ml plus dash will give you 1000 ml. Okay, so 200 plus 300 is actually how much? 500. Okay, so 500 ml plus dash will give you 1000 ml. Dash ml is given. 500 ml plus 500 ml. Yes. Okay, so here the answer is 500 ml. Okay, so already 500 ml is there. So what we should add to 500 ml so that we will get 1000? It is 500 ml. Okay, next H113. 100 ml plus dash will give you 500 ml. So 100 ml is there. So we have to add something to 100 so that we are getting 500. What is that? 400 ml. Okay. Okay. Next, last one, H114. Dash plus 1000 ml is equal to 2 liters. Actually 1000 ml is 1 liter. So 1 liter is already here. So we need one more 1 liter. So 1 liter plus 1 liter will give you 2 liters. Okay. So either here you can write 1 liter. Okay. Or you can write 1000 ml. Because 1000 plus 1000 will give you 2000 ml. So 2000 ml is equal to 2 liters. Is it clear? So you can either use this one or this one. Okay. So kindly check all your answers with these answers. Okay. So that's all for today's class. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.